Hello, my dear viewers. Really happy once again to be with you. This is an English class. This is my class, and the students are coming here for learning English language right now. This is Kandahar city, and they are the citizen of this city. They're very great in the speaking department in English science. So let's stay with us, and you're gonna see some talented student with great speaking and English language.
In the name of Allah, my name is Zatla.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Zatladi.
On Thursday, I did a lot of activities.
The Panshame Porad my dear Pilotuna Wakra.
The first, when I woke up, I take a position and offer the prayer.
Awalla Warazakshan and some of Dasintazaki Biabladan Musmi Wakri.
And then I went to gym.
The Gaur Sazabladama Wurzashta.
I did a lot of exercise.
My dear Tamarin Wakri.
And I eat breakfast.
O mother Sar Nashta Wakri.
And come back to school.
Abiazaralama school Maktabta.
I study a lot of books.
My the Kitabo Dera Mutajawakra.
Like biology.
Like a biology.
And Pashto.
Like a Pashto.
Come back to home.
Birtaralama Quarta.
I cook lunch.
And
I ate it. And after that, I study English book. And I took a nap. And come back to center. That was about my activities.
My name is Abdullah.
Manum Abdulladi.
Last day, I had a lot of activities.
Terrorism, Ziachmir, activity, and Yafaletuna Lodele.
When I wake up early,
the Sar Wachtir Salam.
I work hard in shop.
Padukanki Sacht Karokri.
When I finish the works,
Kalachime Kar Bashparki.
when I back home,
Kalachibirta Kortar Adam.
I ate the lunch.
The Garmed Udimi.
And I take a shower and I go to the picnic with my friend and my brothers.
ولن بيدلم او دلم بيدوسه خورسته د اکاد زمانو او د یوشمن ولګور سره میلې ته ولاړه.
Those are my activities.
دا زما ورځنی فعالیتونه وو د دې ورځ فعالیتونه وو.
Yeah.